Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can close or delete a Revolut account. So here I'm currently on the Revolut official website. So here is the step-by-step guide and how you can close your account. So if you're thinking of leaving, you switch to the standard plan instead and keep your account, you will still enjoy many features with no monthly plan fees. So if you still want to close your account, you just have to follow the steps below. So here is the closure requirements. So all your accounts, pockets, and currency accounts have a balance of 0. So you make sure to withdraw all the balance, and then you have no pending transactions, and you can check if you have a pending transaction by tapping this link right here. So you also need to have the latest version of the Revolut app installed, and you have downgraded your plan to standard. And also, you have closed your investment account. You have no active subscriptions or chargeback requests. You have no active kids and teens account. And you have no active insurances through Revolut. So those are the closure requirements. So you make sure you have done all these. And you have no active subscriptions and all that. Now, to close your account in the application, you tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. So from there, you have to select account, and then you will see the close account button from there. So you just have to click on it. So download and keep any statements you may need for future reference. So they will just send you a confirmation of the closure once you have completed the process. So for details on the data that they retain after your account closure, you can read their customer privacy notice in here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you close your account in Revolut. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!